amateurs, local clubs, and the Philippines Amateur Radio Association, through which amateur radio in the Philippines is represented nationally and internationally. The radio amateur is progressive, with knowledge of trusted science, a well-built and efficient station and operation of the approach.
The radio amateur is friendly, slow and patient, operating when requested, friendly advice and counsel to the beginner, kindly assistance, cooperation and consideration for the interest of others. These are the hallmarks of the amateur service.
The radio amateur is balanced. Radio is an avocation, never interfering with duties owed to family, job, school, or community. The radio amateur is patriotic. Station and skill always ready.
Ayun, acknowledge ko, 1 station double tango on QRX first table. Ayun, good evening po all station, 1 Papa Tango Kilo, I'll be standing by.
Break Tango Papa Sierra.
Break side po, location.
Tango Papa Sierra po, location Lucena City.
Ayun, Tango double Papa Sierra, copyright, Lucena.
Tango Papa Sierra, TPS, Lucena City po. Likewise, location nyo po.
Ayun, Tango Papa Sierra, TPS, ayun, go ahead, copy na. Likewise po, 1 Papa Tango Kilo, sa Tagaytay for the pull out, go ahead po.
Sir, QSA report, how copy po ako dyan sa Tagaytay?
Yes sir, Tito, medyo madamo itong 28 Tito sugar to lang po, quality for audio, go ahead.
Ayun, likewise, ano po kayo dito? Sugar 7 sa Lucena City.
Hello, makisig clear copy Ayun, Tango Papa Sierra, go ahead, any permission po. Ako'y tatabi.
Ayun, negative na po, 10x po for the nice pull out at sa QSA report. I'll be on short monitor, automatic QSY, good evening.
Pagbati, good evening dyan sa iyong lugar rin. Sa Lucena, Tango Papa Sierra. Acknowledge on QRX. Makisig, go ahead, good evening. Car contact. Text. Kopya, Tita Star, hold on lang pa. Pulutin ko lang tumay na. Kopya kita, malakas kasi Tita Star sa akin Go, makisig.